Okay, this is weather outlook for Saturday, August 23rd, and we're going to review cold mornings and take a look at Labor Day weekend. Now, I'm just going to show you morning temperatures just to see how it goes. Now, this is Monday morning, and you can see the eastern parts of Pennsylvania. Temperatures are up with 50s to even upper 60s down by Philly. And if you look out towards western PA, temperatures are even up by Bradford, like 49, but elsewhere it's like in the low 50s. So there's a difference, like 8 to 10 degrees across the state on Monday morning. By Tuesday morning, you can see temperatures are a little colder. Look down towards Philly and Jersey and Delaware. Temperatures are now right around 60. Elsewhere in Pennsylvania, temperatures are in the 40s to mid 50s further east you go and towards the cities. But a chilly morning. I wouldn't doubt that some areas on here that are listed like 51 in the Poconos, that you're going to find some 40s up there in the Poconos. These are Wednesday morning temperatures. You can see areas out west of State College and then up towards Bradford. Temperatures are now down in the lower to mid 40s. And then you can see the Poconos are now into the 40s. And even Wilkes-Barre, Scranton, probably in the upper 40s. Out by Pittsburgh, the city, it's a little warmer. And then down towards the southeast, temperatures are, upper 50s to around 60, lower 60s. You got to go all the way down towards like Rehoboth and down south down there in Delaware, where you can actually find some mid 60s. But you can see that cold temperature slowly every night moves a little bit further south and east. Now, Thursday morning, kind of almost a repeat, except if you look down towards Delaware, you don't see any 60s. And you see how temperatures are now in the 50s. So everybody's in the 50s, and it's showing some places around Philly and then also towards New York City, which might have a 60. But it's going to be cold. I mean, for this time of year, looking on a map and seeing all these 40s, it's unusual, but it will recover. Now, as you look at Friday morning temperatures, there's less and less 40s and more 50s out there. And then Jersey, Delaware, Philadelphia begin to start showing lows into the low 60s. But during the day, we're going to start with the weekend. During the day, you're going to see that most of Pennsylvania, this is in the 60s to 70s during the afternoon. And then the I-95 corridor, if you're going down to the beaches down that way, it's 80 along there. Along the waterfront, temperatures are going to be mid 50s, maybe upper mid 70s and upper 70s right around the waterfront next weekend. And if you're looking for precipitation on Friday, it's just a shower out in western PA. And then as you go towards the evening hours, nothing kind of there. Then here's your Saturday, and you can see that the radar's clear on Saturday. So your temperatures on Saturday will look like this. And again, kind of chilly for this time of year. 70s, most of the places in PA, even Jersey. And then now the beach temperatures are in the lower 70s on Saturday. And then as we move to Sunday, you see our radar is clear on Sunday. This takes you into the evening, and there's nothing. And then your temperatures on Sunday are mid to upper 70s, quite comfortable during the day. And you got to go on the I-95 corridor to find an 80. But if you're going down to the beach, which I know a lot of people do, it's lower to mid 70s are your highs over the weekend then even down in Delaware, temperatures, right around mid 70s. So it's not going to be real hot down there, but it still should be comfortable. Waters are a little cool, but because of the hurricane coming through, kind of mixed it all up, and temperatures in the waters were basically a little cooler than what they should be. And then on Labor Day Monday, this is the radar. You can see there's just a couple of showers to the north, but we stay pretty good to the south. And so then, your temperatures will be, let's see, we get to the right spot. And let's get to Monday here, excuse me. Okay, here's Monday. A lot more 80s are showing up in Pennsylvania, and where it was in the low 70s, now it's into the upper 70s through Pennsylvania, even down in Jersey and Delaware, temperatures were in the 70s on Sunday. Now they're back to the lower to mid 80s And then along the waterfront there, it's probably not too bad, but middle to upper 70s down there. So it's not a bad weekend as of right now. So, if you want to make plans, you make plans. But if you're looking for 90s, you're not going to find it. You're just going to have to deal with temperatures closer to, normal, a little bit below normal, for Labor Day. And I hate to say it, it's probably going to warm up a little bit after that. And but that's kind of what your outlook looks right now. Okay, everybody be safe out there. Take it easy, and I'll talk to you. Won't be tomorrow. Got plans. Got to work. It'll be on Monday, and then that's when I'll also update all of the stuff on the .com page. Take it easy.